In this IntelliJ tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide and restore all of your tool windows. So let's open up some of the tool windows and just kind of open them all up so that we can have them here. And you'll see that it's kind of crowded now, right? And say now I want to do a little bit of programming. What can I do? Well, I can hit and hold Control, Shift, and F12, and it will hide all of my tool windows. Now say I've done some coding and I want to bring them back. To do that, you have to do the same exact motion. If you do Control, Shift, F12, all of them come back in their same aspect ratios and everything. Another way, in case you don't want to do the keyboard shortcut to hide and restore all of your tool windows, is to go up in the upper left, click on these three dots, move over to Window, go to Active Tool Window, and then go to Hide All Windows. And that just gives you the editor. And you can do the same thing to restore the same windows. One thing to note here is that there is another action that you can do, and it's holding Shift and F12, and that will just have your editor as your only screen on here. But when you do that, you cannot restore all of those windows with Control Shift F12. Nothing will happen. So be wary when you're using this shortcut key, because you might end up just in this scenario where you actually can't go back to your original layout. You have to open them all back up again manually. And that is how you hide and restore your tool windows inside of IntelliJ.